looking at it, you found soup. You mean there? Oh no, I can't see anything. What am I looking at? Oh no, not again! He also lost his house. Well, never mind then. I may have lost my money, but I still have my house. Maybe I'll do some work in the garden now. Oh, look what we have here. Oh no, not again. He even lost his family. Well, what bad luck. I'll go see my dad. That will make me feel better. Hi, Dad.
Hi, son. I hope things are going well.
Not so good, Dad.
Well, let's go for a walk. Go wait for me over there while I put my shoes on.
It's a good game to kidnap someone. Oh, look, I have here. Hey, what's taking so long? Dad, where are you? Oh no, not again.
He really wasn't a lucky man. A few weeks later, the man was checking his Facebook. He was hoping he could turn his luck around.
Ah, dear. Oh dear, that's my dad with the guy who robbed me? Interesting. On Facebook, he saw a new article about an undying moon at the edge of the earth.
The undying moon could answer any questions in the world. The undying moon could also bring good luck to those who that visited. So the unlucky man decided to head off to the end of the earth to turn his luck around.
So he walked and he walked and he walked. Until he came to a thin dinosaur. Hello there, I'm going to the edge of the earth to see the undying moon. Who could turn my luck around? Rah! Well, that's good for you, but what about me? When you see the undying moon, can you please ask 2 questions for me? I sure will. What are your questions? Why am I so thin and what can be done about it? Okay, bye.
So he walked and he walked and he walked. Until he came to 2 baby sharks.
Hello there. I'm going to the edge of the world to see the undying moon. Who can turn my luck around?
That's good for you.
But what about us?
People find us so annoying. Can't pick any other friends. We have the song stuck in our head.
We sing it 1,000 times every single day.
And everybody gets annoyed at us.
Oh, come on. I'm sure the song that you sing can't be that annoying. Baby shark do do do, baby shark do do do, baby shark. Stop it! You're right. That is a truly annoying song.
So can you please ask the moon? Why are we so annoying?
And what can be done about that? Sure. Bye.
So he walked and he walked and he walked. Until he came to a mushroom.
Hello there. I'm going to the edge of the earth to see the undying moon. Who could turn my luck around? Whoa, you don't look or sound so good. What is wrong with you? I cannot suck up any water even when it's raining. Please, can you ask the moon 2 questions for me? Sure, what are your questions?
Why am I so thirsty and what can be done about that?
Sure, bye.
So he walked and he walked and he walked. Until he came to an old man.
Hello there, I'm going to the edge of the earth to see the undying moon who could turn my luck around.
Oh, what did you say?
I said, hello there, I'm going to the edge of the earth to see the undying moon who could turn my luck around.
You're going to the edge of the earth to see a balloon?
Well, never mind then.
If you see the balloon, will you ask 2 questions for me?
Sure, what are your questions?
Why can't I hear anything and what can be done about that?
Lies. So he walked and he walked and he walked. Until he finally came to the end of the earth when he found the undying moon. Hello there! I have come a very long way here to meet you, to see if I can turn my luck around.
Why do you think you're so unlucky?
Well, my friend have robbed me, my family have left me, and I've lost my house.
I'll have good news for you today. Your luck is about to change.
That is great news.
Your luck will be right in front of your nose.
Right in front of my nose. I can't see it there.
It's a saying. That means your luck will be right in front of you. You just need to look out for it.
Oh, thank you very much for your help.
Do you have any more questions?
Oh, yes, I do.
So the man asked the question for the old man, the mushroom, the baby sharks, and the dinosaur. Then he set off to go and find his luck. This time he ran and he ran and he ran. Until he came back to the old man.
Hi there. I saw the undying moon and he told me my luck will be right under my nose, so I'm going to find it.
Well, that's good for you, but what about me? Why can't I hear anything and what can be done about that?
Oh, that's simple. You have pieces of gold stuck in both of your ears. You just need to ask the first person that passes by and stop him to take them out.
Well, can you help me then?
Okay.
So the unlucky man helped take the gold out of the old man's ears.
Thank you, thank you.
You're welcome, but I have to go and find my luck. Bye.
But I was going to say to you, I don't need all this gold. I'm just an old man. I was going to give it to you and say thank you.
The unlucky man ran and he ran and he ran. Until he came to a thirsty mushroom. Hi there. I saw the undying moon and he told me my luck will be right under my nose, so I'm going to find it.
Well, I'm pleased for you, but what about me? Why am I so thirsty and what can be done about that?
Oh, that's simple. There is a wooden treasure chest filled with gold and diamonds that is blocking a stem away from drinking up the water. You just need to ask the first person who passes by to dig it up.
Well, can you dig it up for me?
Sorry, I had to go and find my luck.
But I can share this treasure with you.
So he ran and he ran and he ran. Until he came back to the baby sharks.
Hi there. I saw the undying moon and he told me my luck will be right under my nose, so I'm going to find it.
That's good for you.
But what about us? Oh, that's simple. You just need to sing your song one more time and upload it onto YouTube, and everyone will want to be your friend.
But we're shy. We don't have any YouTube accounts. Can you upload it for us?
Sure. views.
I'm from YouTube. Here's a bag of money for you.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. But I have to go and find my luck.
But wait. What are we going to do with all this money from our popular video? We wanted to give it to you. I have an idea. Let's give it to that friendly dinosaur. So he ran and he ran and he ran. Until he came to the thin dinosaur.
Hi there. I saw the undying moon, and he told me my luck will be right under my nose, so I'm going to find it.
Rah! Well, that's good for you, but what about me? Why am I so thin and what can be done about that?
Oh, that's simple. You just need to stop the first one that passes by and eat him up.
And
Well, you-
so